So we're here in Fresno, California, and we've just finished replacing some piping here. It had some Nibco piping on the cold side going to this kitchen sink. And let me see if I can get in here. So that right there has been replaced with Uponor piping. That's our preferred pipe. On the back side, I'll show you in a minute, it's got a metal bracket that turns the pipe at a 90 degree, sweeps across it. So, and then the damage was on that, so we couldn't repair with the pipe in place. We had to remove all the piping through the cabinet into here, and then so that's a new quarter turn shut-off ball valve straight from Home Depot, angle stop. Compression, we went ahead and put the stainless steel sleeve back in. That's required when you're putting a compression angle stop onto plastic piping. And then the faucet is tied back in. We're going to run some water through the faucet. Everything looks good. Inspecting this right now, you can see that there's no leaks, no runs, no errors. So it looks good from this side of the cabinet. Now let's go ahead and go to the back side, and I'll show you the repair we did back there. We're going to leave the piping with the homeowner so that they can forward that to whoever needs to see it. So here's what you got here. That was actually damaged, I think when they were cutting the wall out. That's a piece of the pipe. The piping we replaced down here, went ahead and cut that part out that was damaged down lower. Shark bite fitting in here, shark bite 90. And then gone to the Uponor piping all the way up. And there's the bracket that we were talking about. Those little guys just mount to the wall, and that helps to turn the pipe down at a 90 degree. So we've got it all tied back in. Water's onto the home. There's no leaking in here. If there's any trouble, give us a holler. We'll come back out and take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done. Okay.
American League did.
So second part of the video here, we'll go ahead and combine these when we get home. This is the piping that was in place up top. We've got several pieces. One was down low that was damaged, and I believe that's when they were actually opening up this wall. This is the piece that you can see that was across this fitting right here. So it was up in here, right at the very top, right there. That's where it was spraying. Okay, so that's been documented by American Leak Detection. It's been documented by me. So we're going to leave this with the homeowner so they have something to hand somebody in the event there's a question. So it just stressed. That turn across there just stressed the pipe, and it cracked. Same home we were in previously, I think earlier this year or last year, had some damage up in that area. And it was the same thing except it was the hot side. It's a little bit too sharp of a turn, and it was spraying. So this is the Nibco piping. I don't know if they're having trouble with the manufacturer of this pipe, maybe during a batch of pipe during the year these were installed out here. But so that's defective piping. Outside of that, this installation is done.